Hey guys, welcome to another video review by Rich from BenchTec. Today we're not looking at a motherboard for once. Today we've got the EVGA EVBot, which if you haven't heard of it is a handheld overclocking tool provided by EVGA, supported on a number of motherboards and a graphics card. The GTX 285 is the only graphics card that this is supported with, but a number of motherboards. You've got the X58 and P55 classified boards, and on the P55 range you've got the couple of the FTW boards, the For the Win boards. So let's have a look at the EVBot, presented in a very nice little package here, very well wrapped up, and is obviously on display for you there. I'll try and keep the light from shining off the camera. So what we've got in here is just a little quick look at the inside of the packaging. Tells you where you're meant to be plugging it in on most of your motherboards, and shows you the device itself in a little presentation window here. Let's get it out and have a look. So it's got two parts to the packaging here. We've got EVBot itself, and a little package here which contains a little setup guide, installation guide, how you're meant to plug it in, what's supported, and all of that. All of your information is in there. We've got a CD. I think that holds additional firmwares and stuff for the EVBot, because as it advertises on the inside of the box, you don't need any drivers for this. This isn't a Windows overclocking tool. It's got a few advantages in that respect, that it isn't a Windows overclocking tool. It literally plugs into the device and controls it itself. So we've got 4 cables here. We've got 3 red ones, 1 black one. The 3 red ones are for graphics cards. I would assume they've coordinated them in that way. You've got they're probably all the same cable, but just coloured. 3 cables in red, 1 in black. Black one for your motherboard, I would guess. You can control up to 4 devices with the EVBot, as you've got 4 cables for. 3 graphics cards if you've got 3 of the GTX 285s, and then 1 motherboard. Obviously you're going to be running 1 motherboard at a time. So yeah, let's move on to the EVBot itself. Let's just get it unwrapped here. It's got some protective covering on it, which is nice to keep it in good condition for when you get it. There you have it, EVBot itself, little red tool. Got a little stand there to keep it propped up on the table when you're using it itself. Fits nicely in your hand. I think they've gone with the whole sort of mobile phone type of interface with this. Make it easy and quite intuitive to use. On the front of it, we've got an OK button top left, cancel button top right, simple up and down for the menu system, and then 4 numbered buttons across the middle here. These are for your overclock profiles. So you can save motherboard to one, 3 graphics cards to the other, and then when you boot it all up, you just hit these buttons and it goes straight into your overclock profiles. You don't have to mess around setting each option for each time you boot it up and want to change something. So that's pretty good. On the bottom of the EVBot here, you'll see we've got the 4 connections. Left hand one for your motherboard. It is noted on there. Not sure if the quality of this video is going to be good enough, but you've then got VGA 1 to 3 for your other 3 connections there. And on the top of the EVBot, we've got a power button and a simple reset button on the top there. So that's about it. That's a quick overview, quick look at the EVBot itself, and the packaging that it comes in. Obviously with this, I'll be showing you some more videos of exactly what it does, how to use it, how to get the most out of it using your EVGA motherboard and graphics cards. One final point to note is the EVBot comes pre-supplied, ready to work with X58 motherboards. So if you've got a P55 motherboard, you will need to flash the P55 firmware to this device first. There's instructions to do that on the EVGA website, and I'll put a link to them on the BenchTec website as well. So there you go, quick look, and check out BenchTec in the next couple of days, couple of weeks. I should have some really nice how-to videos and how to use this, how to make the most out of the EVBot with your motherboard. So there you go, guys. Hope that was all right. See you again. Bye.